Good morning.
Where we
Look at this. We're in Hakuba. Hakuba is in Nagano, which is like 4 hours away from our city.
Yeah.
So look at the view. It's beautiful.
Nice.
Welcome to Nagano.
Let's go.
Go.
Snowboarding day, baby.
We just get into the top.
Let's go top!
Let's go. What are those, bro? Yo, we are back at Nissan's at BS New Type, and we're about to go check out the S15 as it's now painted, and we're gonna wrap it and so on. But for now, me and the pussy just enjoying ourselves as we usually do.
Yeah, paint finish.
Are you ready to see your car?
Can't wait. It's very cold in Japan. And all your temperature, good temperature.
All right, so Ryusei, it's been a week since we've been back here, and you haven't seen the car yet.
Yes.
We obviously know what to expect because it's the same color as every other car that we own.
Remember our car?
Yeah,
Also last time we paint here.
yeah,
And it held for 2 years.
yeah,
It's nice looking.
yeah,
But look actually, it's more yellow.
yeah. Let's see. Let's see. Da-dum. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da. Nice. Good,
Yeah, nice.
good job.
モールが綺麗。
違う、ここほら、黒に塗ってんだ。
本当だ。
Wow.
すごい塗り分けられてるんだ。
だからこれだけだと寂しいから、このライン、
すごいっす
このラインで黒にこう塗って。
Carbon.
かっこいい。
New style. You're an artist, my friend. You're an artist.
かっこいい。Very nice. Very nice.
Look at that big ass smile on his face.
Okay, so now we are back in Chiba. This is VS New Type. I'm super happy to see my new car, which is new S15. And big thanks to VS New Type Union, and also big thanks to the Mike Racing to build this car for me. This is amazing. I can't wait to drive. We built this car for, at the moment there's no plan, but we are ready to do something. So I just sold my S15, which was I was running in Europe last year. Now we need a new broker, so we just built a new one in Japan. And from now, we don't know where we're going, but we'll make sure we keep ready to compete any of event or any big competition. I can't wait to drive this car. We have an auto salon from day after tomorrow, which is Friday. Today we are in Wednesday, so we're gonna put some new livery, new logos, new sponsor logos, and also fit some new Strom wheels. We have to fit some glasses, windshield. We're gonna adjust the height and stuff, and pretty much it's ready to go. Also have to fit some Valino tires. Mugen Factory, they made a nice windshield, FRP parts, and this time they are sponsoring us for the glasses, which is for the rear and side right here, and also we have shell for here. Thanks so much for supporting. We got some candies, maybe it's from Spain. Yes, yummy, yummy. So if you guys interested about windshield, check out Yugen Factory. They made the best product.
It's really cool to be back here. As last year we were building the Ferrari, and now we're building a new S15 for Ryusei. So as you can see, they're writing down the to-do list, and very soon we're gonna roll these sleeves up and get to work.
Now what we gotta do is, my plan is fit some tire, put Valinos onto the Strom wheels, and then we're gonna start wrap the roof and we put some side livery. We're gonna try to do some from the big job, which is, it's not too big job, so what we can do, let's go. This one is Valino Perugia 008R, and with a Strom wheel DS15, which is beautiful wheel. This Strom wheel is first set in Japan,
Yeah, buddy.
and this one is very strong. Like, I off the truck many times in Ireland, but I never broke anything. I can't wait to see the European look in Japan.
やだね、こういう塗装のは。そうです。ガリってなっちゃうかも。
So it's sketchy because it's a white.
Yeah, gotta be very careful.
Yeah, really. Why? Technique.
You can tell this man has some years of experience. How old are you? Oh, nice. Nice, like the way I liked it with the green. Very cool.
This year we're back to the original. OG. Little bit upgrade. She must have did some work to update some detail.
Yeah, it looks like a little bit more higher quality tribal stuff.
Yes.
You like the wheel?
Yes,
Style?
yes,
Style good?
I like. Paint foil, I like.
That's very light.
Oh.
Shot.
This time, all the tribals are much bigger. Usually they look like this. It's thin, a lot of space. This one is massive.
Thank you everyone for helping me. We are in the last minute of the wrapping. How do you like it? Thanks to Kairu and Suchi-san for helping.
Thank you, Suchi-san.
Nearly finished.
Nearly.
I just want them bad party.
This guy's chilling in my jacket. What up, G?
Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up to the party, roll up to the party. Roll up to the party.
Nice.
Bad boys, bad to the bad. I just want them party boys, bad boys.
Yeah.
Boys, bad to the
Alrighty, good morning. What's good?
Good morning.
We have new stuff. Car's very close now. Mirror position, windows on from Yugen Factory.
Good quality.
Nice. Made in Ireland, everybody.
Good.
Good angle.
Good.
Nice. If he says it's good, it's good. Very strong. Nice. Nice. Beautiful. So, car's very close. Today's the day that we take it to Tokyo Auto Salon. We park it up, set up the booth, and get ready for the weekend. And after that, we're probably going to do some fun stuff. It's 2 weeks after New Year's. It's Tokyo Auto Salon. Everybody and their mama is here. Drift Games is here. I think everybody's here for Tokyo Auto Salon and all the things that are happening around it. So we have a new car to present, and we have a lot of merch ready for the event. So I'm excited. Make sure to come say hi to Reverse. Here's a sneak peek of the new Team Reverse steering wheels that were made. Soon it's gonna go in here and replace the busted old one. So let's finish up the stickers and the final details. Get all these things done. Don't know what that means. This weekend is gonna be great. Leave in the comments what do you think is gonna be the coolest car at Tokyo Auto Salon. Obviously besides our baby. Where?
What position?
Okay, I think here.
No.
Here?
Yeah. No, 見える。No look.
Okay. Oh, tiny man. Tight. I see now. You have this cage. Yeah, I think that's okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Cage here. I see here. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Okay.
Final answer.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, so the Drift Games boys are here. Welcome to Japan. They bought this car for the trip. What's up, guys? Josh.
Satisfaction. What up?
It's good to see you.
Why are you going so close?
Just trying to get in.
Get your little vlog camera away, your phone. Get a real one.
It's good to see you, the way you said that.
It's good to see you, bro. It's
good to see you, bro.
Why are you getting so...
I love getting close to you,
You're
bro.
looking creepy, like halfway between paparazzi and a vlogger.
Looking so good. I think, my opinion, this is the best looking version so far. A few more stickers left. Of course, the big bandana on the wing. Definitely, let's go up higher. So it's like hiding a little bit, you know? How cool it is that CarX, a game that you play all the time, is your sponsor.
It's crazy. It's crazy. It's unbelievable. We have no time.
Yeah.
We have to put the car into the event, otherwise we get penalty.
Yeah.
So livery is almost done, but we still need change little thing, and then we have to jack up the car, load the car, and do some fitment and ready for the stance tomorrow.
Yeah.
So we're gonna load the car,
Yeah.
and let's go to the Makahari Messe.
Let's do it. Yo, this thing is glowing in the dark, boy. Look at that. Shade. All right, boys. Let's go inside. Getting the Tokyo Auto Salon set up. It's so cold. So cold. Let's go find the boys. I'm not sure where I entered, and this place is massive. But you can see some cool stuff is already getting built. A lot of cool cars already here. Nissan stand right up in front. I feel like we're gonna be in a different location completely than this because wow, that was That was crazy. Top Secret is dope. Really cool to see that Top Secret is at Tokyo Auto Salon this year. Sick. It's gonna be a good show. Great idea to put the seats out, all of them, show how many designs you have, and let everybody sit down and feel the comfort of the seats. We got Vertex in the building too. The OG Vertex car. Oof, look at that stance. What a win. That's sick. Look at that GR.
I came to rock on beast mode. Up. Came to rock on.
All right, found the lads. We missed the whole drive-in, but here we go. Wag. Finish. Done.
Yes.
Finish line. Happy? Good product?
Good drag. おやすみなさい。ありがとうございました。Good night. Good night.
She's done. Still got a little bit more work to do, but
Looking good.
and here is our spot. Super excited for what's to come. The car's looking awesome next to all these other awesome cars. And yeah, man, we got a few more bits to do. We're gonna jack up the car, put it on slammed, undrivable vibes. This is our little store. We're selling a bit of parts, bit of liquids, bit of suspensions, some hoodies, some merch, some turbos. Takano looking handsome, no, hungry, no.
Let's go stage.
Steaky. It's the Wheel of Fortune. Come spin it. Come spin it with Takano. You might just get a free run at Waishishi. Winner! Chicken dinner. But yeah, come check us out. We got a sticker on the bottom. Can't wait for everything to start. Some of our neighbors are Carbon R32, Carbon R33. That's what a sick paint job. Wow. We'll see you tomorrow.
Rock on beast mode, up and down like a Chico. Came to rock on beast mode, up and down like a Chico. I came to rock, came to rock, came to rock, came to rock.